What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Ooh, car modification video. I'm inserting a black grill. So this is all going to be blacked out because that's what's in this box. I think it's upside down. Oh no, we are obviously not experienced. Let's put the box upside down. This is for grill, the chrome grill insert. So this is all gonna be black. Above the headlights, the eyebrows. This is still gonna stay chrome because it looks good still. Yeah, see what it looks like. The thing is, we don't know how to take this stuff off yet. Like, I haven't even looked it up. It's gonna be like a 2-day process. I could not be able to drive to work tomorrow. Oh no. Ow. Got stabbed by a sharp piece of. I mean, somebody smarter than us would have just cut it, but not smart. Glossy.
Nice.
So this whole thing is going here. So basically just swapping out this shit. How do you get this out though?
You good?
YouTube better have this stuff.
YouTube has everything. To install this grill, this little black grill that he got, it goes like this. Don't say no.
Huh? Oh, you're recording. Taking off all these little clips. Hopefully this car comes down and crushes me. I don't want to live anymore. So jack the car up and now it's just sitting here above me, about to crush me. Taking off all these little clips so we can take off the bumper because we're gonna take off the bumper to get to the little grill insert. I'm incapable. I'm taking all these little clips. You gotta pry it from in here, and it's really annoying. But I'm about halfway done. After that, then we can just take this whole thing off. I'm in my eye. Way there. I watched it go into my eye.
We'll get used to taking this on. Headlights look cool.
Alright, so update. We got the bumper off.
Now if you want to go wide body, down the line, you gotta cut your this little board.
That's what it looks like under. That's the intercooler, huh?
Yes.
That's cool. That's my little horn. I should disconnect that and put a new one. So bumper's off, and now we're putting on the old one. I mean the new one, which is all these little things. It's just all these screws, right? Start watching. That looks good.
It's okay. Also falls off. Oh, damn. I think we should have painted that black into there, huh?
Yeah, looks way better. 1,000 times better. I should have propped this. Yeah. Well, take it off, put it back. Alrighty, guys. So that's the end of this vlog. There it is, as you guys can see. Looks real good. I'm very happy with it, except for the fact that I kind of scratched it a little bit. That is right here. A little small scratches that you can't even see it, honestly, but whatever. Nitpicky. I'm good. There's my baby. She's back. She's back on the videos. We're gonna try to make more videos on everything that we do with the vehicle. As you guys have seen before, we've done a cold air intake. I don't know, I didn't make a video on that. I didn't make a video on the cold air intake. Well, it's a short ram air intake. I didn't make a video on the spoiler. So far I've done the spoiler. These little quick, easy caps. Mirror and door handle caps. Sorry, that dust was bothering me. So, these little carbon fiber door caps, they go all the way on each side. There's these ones, just got these on today. Carbon fiber, carbon fiber sticky door mirror things. So I'm slowly blacking out the whole thing. Eventually all of the chrome is going to be black, 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 black. Roof is going to be black. Emblem, black, black, leave that. Do some more black stuff on the back, probably like, eventually I'm going to do a diffuser right here. Maybe do some little exhaust pipes, because something like that, I don't really like messing with the engine and stuff, but yep, there it is. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little video. We didn't make too much of a video out of it. Greg is in his car waiting for me to say bye to him. So that's just what I'm going to do. Anyways. So I'm going to say bye to Greg. Thanks for watching this video again. Stay subscribed, like this video, share with all your friends and family. And yeah, I'll see y'all later.